sharp roadster to take a look at, just in at Unique, especially in classics. 2008 BMW Z4 Roadster, carbon black metallic paint, black interior, black tops. We got a triple black BMW Roadster here. Underneath the hood, inline 6, 3-liter, 6-speed manual transmission. This car puts out 215 horsepower. Pretty good horsepower to weight ratio when you look at the size of the car. Of course, all your amenities: power steering, power brakes, AC, all the other goodies you're going to get with a later model sports car. This particular car, just a tad over 85,000 miles on it. I believe it's about 88,500. We get around to the driver's side, we're going to check that odometer out, check out the interior, look this one over on the interior. We'll double check those miles. Let you get a good look at the nose cone on this one, front grille, bumper. Now, you do have the protective 3M clear on this one, so you can see that light line, but it also gets rid of a lot of the rock chips that you would have gained over the miles and the years that this car has been on the road. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see a close-up of this car, underside, engine bay, interior, every angle of it, probably over 100 pictures online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. First, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Stock BMW alloy wheels. Also still riding on run flat Bridgestone Potenza, I believe it was, brand tires. You would have a trunk free of spare tire and extra weight. See the bucket seat 2-seater with a center console, and that's where you got your 6-speed manual transmission. And again, we'll take a little closer look at that when we get around to the driver's side. Check out the seat condition. Very nice shape interior, no doubt about that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the reflection coming off of that paint. So you can tell the paint does show nicely. I want to show you this over here too, so you get an idea in the interior. Take a look at this passenger seat. Again, leather. Hardly shows anywhere. Tell it's a good quality leather. BMW and the German engineering. Well put together, no doubt about that. Fun to drive. Very aggressive looking roadster. One other thing I want to make note of, both these filler panels are here, and I did put them on for the video, for the pictures, and then there's also the little case that they come with. Will be in the trunk of this car. Tool case is still in the trunk down by the battery too, and you can see that in the still pictures. And once again, those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. These things were packed with safety features too. This would actually have dynamic stability control, traction control, ABS, rollover protection, front and side airbags, active knee protection. List goes on and on. So very safe, orientated cars. Like I said, still riding on run flats. They have a limited slip differential in this one. Also comes with the owner's manual and all the BMW manuals that it would have came with when it was new. Again, take a look at the reflection coming off that paint. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, and scratches. Yeah, you may find an imperfection here and there. It is a dark colored car, carbon black metallic, with just a few miles on it. But overall, again, shows very nice. And let's take a look at this interior from the driver's side. Again, Z4 floor mats still in there. Door panels, not discolored, cracked, also in nice shape. Power seats both sides, by the way, and you do have the memory seating over here. But again, take a look at the bolster. Not a lot of wear to that seat, holding in there. Very, very nice. And of course, this is leather. This is going to stretch and move just like a leather shoe will as it gets worn. Leather jacket, if you will. Natural hide will wear and wear well, no doubt about that. Steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and fire this up. We'll check out the exact miles. as you can tell, radio does work. Right here. We also have heated seats. It is a one-button power top, and we're going to run that up so you can check out the top on it also. You can check out the fabric top, climate control, and it can be automatic or manual, as you can see there. Here's your exact miles, 85,509. And take a look at this dash. So the car's been stored inside, not cracked, weather checked, anything like that. All right. Slip around the back so you can hear this run. Haven't noticed anything aftermarket, any sort of performance enhancing features. Kept stock. We'd like this car. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop that hood at the same time. I'm going to run up the top so we can check all that out, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Hood popped. Again, 3-liter. Inline 6, 215 horsepower. Plenty of horsepower to weight ratio for this car. Smooth running BMW engine. See the strut tower braces, a little added support. Running from the strut towers to the cowl. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nicely equipped. And then I also ran up the top. Again, fabric top. So a cloth top, not vinyl. And that is one button. It unlocks, locks, does it all with one button. Rear glass window, and of course the rear defrost, and it is a true black. It can kind of wash out if I get up on top of it. Right there's the true color of the top. Sometimes I get right up on top and it will start to wash out, make it look a little more gray or charcoal, but no rips, tears, holes. Going to keep you dry, keep you out of the elements, whether that be sun, rain, wind, if you need to put the top up. Most of the time you're going to be driving this car around with the top down. Don't forget, if you do put those filler panels in, take those out, put them back in their package and in the trunk before putting the top up. That's where you find them if you're the next owner of this beautiful Roadster. 2008 BMW Z4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Let her email.